What's up, everyone? Welcome back in this series, Building Public Edition 2. We're gonna try to make $45,000 in 50 days. So, in the first video, I talk about the hackathon by RevenueCat called Shipathon. So, the purpose is to release an application on iOS or Android, and you just have to use RevenueCat SDK to integrate that to take payment. And yeah, that's it. That's the purpose of the app. It's a new app. You have to push a new thing. Last year I did the same thing, Shipathon. I won the third place in a building public series, building public. So this year more money on that. So last year I think it was 1k. I won 1k, and this year the first place is 15k. So let's try to compete for the first place. So already won the third. Now I just want to compete for the first one. And I told you I already talk about the project. It will I'm gonna build a shadow boxing application. So like this, you can practice everywhere. You can learn boxing. You can stay in shape. So for today, I'm gonna share with you my Notion with all my features. So everything I want in the app. I'm gonna share the ship kit. So we receive something from a RevenueCat. And the last thing, I'm gonna show you the Figma. So I found free Figma, the cool design. You're gonna adapt this one, and my tech, what I'm gonna use for this thing. And the purpose, we want to be fast. We want to ship fast. We want to go fast on the market. Okay, so let's talk about the feature. So like I said, the project is really simple. Open the app, you choose a workout, boxing workout, and you get audio cues from the coach, and you have boxing combo. You can train at home, in gym, at the office, where you want. And about the features, so what I want as a core features, I want workout, so different workout, shadow boxing, footwork, defense, everything. So you will be able to set up. So yes, for example, you can set up 10 round, 3 minutes, 1 minute rest, and yes, you have this audio coach cues. So the coach told to you, it's AI generated. What else? Some technical videos, so video tutorials. As a beginner, you can learn each combo. So for example, this punch is called one, this one is called two. One is a jab, and how to throw a jab, for example. And you can have this mirror mode. So you put your front camera videos, you record yourself, and after you can share it on social media or where you want. And what else? Integrate Apple Health. So like this, you can track your workout, and a timer. What else? Yes. So basically, the core MVP. So AI, this one is AI generated, but I think I can ship in. Yeah. Yes. So like I said, I received my ship kit. So one signal for push notification, paddles. What else? Code Rabbit Expo. So one more free. That's really cool, really nice, because I use Expo to ship. And 11 labs, 3 month free. That's really nice, because I'm gonna use that for the boxing, for the coach cues. So like this, we'll find a nice voice. And yes, I think we have some cool things. And last thing I want to share with you, it's the Figma design. So I don't have time to design something, and it takes time, and I'm not a designer. And I found this free UI kit. It's for fitness, basically. It's called Sendo UI kit. I think it's really nice. It matches with what I want to do. So you have, for example, here the what is it? Onboarding. So it's really cool, really nice. So I will try to reproduce this one. Sign in, sign up, activity tracker. So let's see how I can adapt this one. but yes, you have the home view, home screen, so I can adapt this thing to boxing. So cool charts. This Figma design saved me a lot of hours, so it's nice. And something else that saved me development days. So it's Native Express, built by my friend Robin. So thanks to him. So it's React Native Expo boilerplate. Let me show you. Yes, I use Supabase authentication. It's set up. Email, password. Forgot password. It's set up. Payment by RevenueCat. So the SDK is already set up too. Basic style with native wind. So it's nice. What else? So backend, I said, yes, Supabase. Notification by one signal, and we saw one signal is the sponsor of RevenueCat, and they offer 20k in top of all rewards. So that's nice to compete with them because it's already integrated in my boilerplate. So that's really nice. We're gonna use that. And I have Sentry and Post Hog. So everything is set up. So tomorrow we're gonna set up this boilerplate really quickly. Try to make it works, and I will show you. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we're gonna start to code. I will show you some code part and the mobile application, the simulator, and so on. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, share it, and if you want to follow the journey, just leave me a little comment or little like. It's free. And see you tomorrow. Thanks.